Fine, let us go with the sixth problem here. Right, find the distance covered by a car, right, moving at 20 meter per second for 3 hours. What they have given here, you need to be very careful here. They have given in terms of meter per second, and we need to find, and they have given in terms of hours, right, the time, as well as we need to find in terms of kilometer. Let us check out here what they have given. Speed, they have given speed is equal to 20 meter per second, and they have given time is 3 hours, and we need to find the distance, right? Distance is equal to what? Now let us convert the speed into in terms of what? Kilometer per hour. So to do that, so I told you 20 that into 18 by 5 you need to do, right? So now 5 ones are 5 4s are, which comes around 72 kilometer per hour. Now we got the speed and as well as time. What we need to find? We need to find now what is that? Distance. The distance is equal to what? Speed into time. What is speed here? 72, and the time is 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. So the answer here is 216 kilometer.